Having only $5, we made $10,000. It is awesome. It is lit. Hi everyone. Today I have a very good plan. I want to make $10,000 having only $5. Of course, in my deposit, not in my hand, but nevertheless, it's a very good plan. So, and I'm inviting you to join me in today's trading and to join me in my Telegram chat. It is closed, but you can be added there without any problem. Just find the link in the description under this video. Write me the code word private and I will add you there, and there you will find the trading signals with profitability of 80-90%. You can use them, you can ask any questions you have, and I will help you, will support you in your trading if you are a beginner, or I can give you a very good pieces of advice if you are kind of advanced or something like that. And of course I can offer you my Telegram channel that is open. It's with the reviews from the real people who are already members of this private chat, who already use these trading signals and who can share their impressions about being a member there. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, write a comment, and we're ready to start. Hi everyone, today I will try to overclock my deposit, and my goal for today is $10,000, and we will start with only $5. So I'm ready to do my best in this overclocking, and I'm happy that you're going to do it with me. So guys, here you can see at the bottom the support level. The price hasn't reached it yet, but we can see there was a very good downtrend, and now the price is at the price range and has been moving in this range. So at this moment the price at the highest point of this price range, you can see that, and I would like to open a trade for 3 minutes with down, because I'm sure the price will continue moving to this level, and maybe there will be the exit from this price range to the support level. Well, it's very good guys, the price continued moving down and we have got the profit, and this time was enough here. So I like this start, let's continue. So it's the resistance level here, and also you can see that there has been a very good upward movement, and you can notice there was a small pullback down, and after that this moving up continued. So let's open a trade for 3 minutes with up here, because the price must be moving to this resistance level, and we will see what can happen. Well, it's not bad, the price continued moving to this level and we have got the profit again, so you can see it really works. So you also can notice there was a false breakout of this level, and after that the price came back to this price range, and there is small flat here. So I think that the price will keep on moving to this level and then break this level through, because it doesn't roll back far from this level, and there's very good potential for an increase. So let's open a trade for it, an increase with up. So we'll do it for 3 minutes, because I'm expecting that can be a small flat or maybe a pullback down, and after that the moving up will continue. Well, it's not bad guys, the price continued moving up and this resistance level has been broken through. It's the new profit for you and me. So I think we can open the next trade here again. Just let's wait until the price falls down to the support level, because after the breakthrough the resistance level has become the support level, you can see, and we can open a trade with up, especially if we notice the movement to the level impulsive. So the price fell down to the support level. Let's open a trade with up for 2 minutes only. I think in this situation this time will be enough here, and the price will continue moving up. So guys, let's check it. Well, it's excellent. There has been a rollback up and we have got the profit. 2 minutes were enough here, so let's keep on out trading. Well, it's the support level here, and at this moment there is a very good wavy-like downtrend, so I think the price will continue moving to this level. So let's open a trade with down for 3 minutes. So guys, let's check it. Well, it's not bad, the price continued moving to the support level and the small flat happened near this level, but we closed our trade profitable and everything is very good. So let's keep on our trading. Well, here we can see the support level, and at this moment there is the downward movement and the price maximum is getting lower. You can notice that. So the price is coming to our level already third time here. So in this situation we need to open a trade for 3 minutes. We're down. I think that this level will be broken through very soon because the price has been moved quite impulsively and it's still keeping on moving down. So you can see here the sticking to the level, and there must be the breakthrough. Well, it's very good. Even without a rollback, this level has been broken through. The price went down very confidently, so the profit is ours. So let's continue. Well, here we can see the support level, and right now you can notice the downward movement. That is very good. So right now the price is starting to break through the support level, and we need to open a trade. We're down for 2 minutes here. It will be with the reserve because I'm expecting the small pullback up, and after that downward movement will continue, and this level must be broken through completely because the potential for a decrease is very good here. So let's check it. Well, it's not bad. After the small pullback, the downward movement continued and this level has been broken through completely, and we have got our profit. So 2 minutes were enough here, as I said. So let's continue and find something interesting. So it's the resistance level here, and also pay attention that the price minimum is getting higher here. So, and it's been sticking to the resistance level, and we need to open a trade with up for 2 minutes here because I think this level will be broken through very soon. The time will be with the reserve because there can be small pullback down, and after that the moving up will continue. So let's check it. Well, it's not bad. Even without a pullback, the price continued moving up and this level was broken through, and we have got our profit in 2 minutes were enough here. So you can also pay attention that after impulsive moving up, the price has slowed down. You can see the small wicks and candlesticks. So in this situation we need to open a trade with down for 2 minutes only. I think in this situation the 2 minutes will be enough here, and we will get a small pullback down. So guys, let's check it. Well, it's very good, guys. There has been a small pullback down and we have got the very good profit here. So let's keep on out trading. Well, here you can see the support level, and also you can notice there is a very good downtrend, and especially the price has been moved quite impulsively here. So let's open a trade for 1 minute with up, because the price has approached this level quite impulsively, as I said, and I think we will get a small rollback up, and this time 1 minute will be enough here. So guys, let's check it. Well, it's very good. From the support level there has been a small rollback up and we have got the profit. I like this profit when this time was enough here. So you can also notice the price has been moving quite impulsively up and is approaching the inner resistance level. So this level can be seen very well, and also you can see that from this level there is the pullback down happening. So let's open a trade. We're down for 3 minutes here. I think that from this zone there must be the movement to the support zone, and this level must be broken through very soon. Well, guys, it's very good. From the inner resistance level there has been a very good pullback down. This level of the support was broken through. We have got a very brilliant profit. I think you like this too. So guys, let's keep on our trading. Well, it's the resistance level here, and at this moment there is the uptrend here. So the price minimum is getting higher and it's been sticking to the level of resistance. So in this situation we need to open a trade for 2 minutes with up. I think that very soon this level will be broken through, so we need to check it. Well, guys, it's very good. This level was broken through. We have got a very brilliant profit, and this time was again enough. So, you know, the breakthrough of the level can be different, can be impulsive or not so much, but anyway, it's the breakthrough and the price has gone higher, so we need to continue. Well, here you can notice there is the wavy-like downtrend. Right now the price impulsively gone to the line of a downtrend, and let's open a trade with down for 3 minutes here. I think from this line of a downtrend there will be very good pullback down, and 3 minutes in this situation will be very good. So guys, let's check it. Well, it's excellent. From the line of a downtrend, there was the pullback down, and we have got the very awesome profit. So you can see. Let's continue and find another citation. Well, guys, here you can see the support level, and also you can see that after the small flat, the price again has started to move to our level. There is the exit from this small flat. So in this situation, we need to open a trade. We're down for 5 minutes. 5 minutes with the reserve, because I think there can be flat again or a small rollback up, and after this the downward movement will continue. Well, guys, it's very good. The price continued moving down to the support level, and this level was broken through. We have got the very awesome profit. So 5 minutes with the reserve was enough here. So you also can see that price has been moving quite confidently and impulsively, and after the small flat, the price is keeping on moving down. So the next trade, let's open here. Let's just watch the price movement for a while, because the exit from the small flat has happened. The price has been moving quite impulsively, as I said, and after this impulsive movement, there can be the small rollback up. So the next trade we will open with up. So you can see the price has slowed down a little. We need to open a trade for 1 minute only with up. I think this time will be enough here. We will get a small rollback up at least. So let's check it. Well, it's very good. As you can see, even the impulsive movement down can give the small bounces up. So this situation has showed this. This situation has brought us the profit. So our deposit is $10,000, and having only $5, we made $10,000. It is awesome. It is lit. So guys, I hope you liked this video, you remembered all the steps that I have taken, and you might have some questions, and if you want to ask them, just come to my Telegram chat and write me all these questions, all these ideas and thoughts that you have, and I will be gladly reading all of this. So guys, thank you so much for joining me in today's trading. I've got the very good pleasure from being with you in one team, and I'm inviting you for my team forever. So to get into this team, you need to write me the code word private. You can find the link in the description under this video, and I will add you there, and you will be with me finally. So guys, see you in the next video.